Hey guys, welcome back to Rudder Innovations, where today we're going to be changing out the water valve on this top load washer. Here we go.
Water was dripping and filling up the washer even when the washing machine was off, which is why I knew the valves needed to be replaced. Start by unplugging your washing machine and shutting off the hot and cold water supplies from your house. Then move your washing machine out, disconnect the hot and cold water lines from the back of the machine, and unscrew the screw that attaches the valves to the washer. Next, push in the two tabs on the front of your washing machine with a flathead screwdriver or other device that won't scratch it to release the lid. Once lifting the lid, you'll have access to disconnect the water line from the spout that directs water into the washing basket. Once that's removed, you can dump residual water into the basket, pull out your valves from their location, and disconnect the two electrical connections that tell the valves to open and close depending on which cycle you're running. Note their orientation. To more easily remove the valves on this washing machine, I disconnected the two black wires going to the water inlet hose assembly and tied one of them in a knot so I'd know which one went where. Once those were disconnected, I was able to remove the water valves and hose assembly. Compare the new valve to the old valve to make sure they are the same and transfer the hose assembly over to the new valve. If you notice, the wire connections on the new valve are slightly closer together than the old valve, which made it a little difficult to reconnect the plugs, but I was able to get them installed. Once the wires are reconnected and I reconnected the black wires going to the water inlet hose assembly, I fed the water valves to the back of the machine, lined it up, and installed the screw to mount it in place. Next, I reconnected the water inlet hose assembly to the spout that directs water into the washing basket and slid the clamp over the end connection with pliers. Reconnect the hot and cold water lines, secure them with channel locks or pliers if desired, but don't over tighten them. Then you can turn your hot and cold water back on and plug in your machine to check for any leaks. All right guys, water's back on. No more dripping. After seeing you don't have any leaks, align the two clips with their slots on the top of the washing machine and press down to secure the lid in place, and then you're done.
Alright guys, I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you like this video, like it. If you're watching on a medium, you can subscribe. Feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace and God bless.